In this how-to video, I will show you how to set up a domain name to forward to a specific property search on your real estate website. So if you're running a campaign that offers something like a free list of homes in a specific area, now this could be online or in a print publication or a direct mail piece, or anything that looks like the example I have here with a free list of Tampa Bay homes with pictures, and visit this domain name freetampabaysearch.com. I'm going to show you how to set up this domain name to forward to a custom search on your real estate website. For the purpose of this exercise, I'm going to assume that you already own a domain name that you want to set up for a custom property search forwarding. As you can see here in my GoDaddy account, I already own freetampabaysearch.com that corresponds with this domain and ad I'm looking to forward. The first thing you have to do is to determine where you want the domain name, in this case freetampabaysearch.com, to forward to. In my case, I want freetampabaysearch.com to point to a page on my real estate website that displays results for Tampa. So I use a Boomtown website, but you can use this process with just about any real estate website that has search capabilities. Once you are on your website's property search page, and this is what my website looks like, you can then create a search for the name of the city that you want to provide results for. So in our case, Tampa. So you select Tampa, and then this is going to display all the results for our search for Tampa. So the next thing you have to do, once you have the results, you click on the URL at the top, then you right click on it, and you copy it to your clipboard. The next step is for you to go to your domain name manager. In my case, I use GoDaddy for all my domain names, so in today's example I'm going to show you how to set up forwarding with GoDaddy, but the process is pretty much similar with all domain name companies. Next, you select the domain name that you want to forward. Click on Forwarding Domains, and you're going to add a new forwarding for this domain, and you're going to paste the URL from the previous page into this box right here. And you have to go all the way to the beginning and delete the HTTP part here as it's redundant. You're going to click on Add and then Save to save the forwarding. Now it can take anywhere from a few minutes up to an hour for the forwarding to take effect. Once you've completed these steps, the last thing to do is to actually test to make sure the forwarding is working correctly. So what you do is you open a new tab, and then you type in the domain name, in this case freetampabaysearch.com, and make sure that it's forwarding correctly. So as you can see, this takes us to the exact same search that we had before. Now there are any number of ways that you can use a custom search and domain name forwarding like the one I showed you. For example, let's say you wanted to have a free list of Tampa Bay homes that range from 250,000 to 500,000. So you go back to your search and then you select the price range. So in this case 250,000 to 500,000. And you can see it will only display homes that meet this search criteria. Now let's say you wanted to search a specific type of property. So in this case, a free list of Tampa Bay condos and townhomes. You go back to your search, you select the type of property, in this case condos and townhomes, and then this will only display properties that match your ad that offers a free list of pictures of condos and townhomes. Now depending on the capabilities of your real estate website, you can create this custom search based on neighborhood, based on zip code, based on price. You can sort by high to low. You can have different types of properties, foreclosures or short sales, for example. You can have different types of amenities. So if you want only waterfront property, only gulf-front properties, and so on. The combination is pretty much limitless as to what's available. No matter what criteria combination you use, all you have to do is copy the URL from the results page to your domain name forwarding. And the best part is the results always be up to date with the most recent list of available homes. So you can use the same domain name for years